Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload a new content. Okay, remember, I don't just upload video anyhow. I look at what people are passing through and I create content based on that to solve the problem. A lot of people actually lose money consistently, that to the extent that they become so depressed and feel a lot of pains. Okay, the reason is because of timing issue. Okay, the topic we're gonna discuss is best time to look for entries in the Forex synthetic market. You see, if the market is not ripe for you to make profit, just go and look for something else. You must not be watching the chart all the time. You can just give 10% of the whole day, just 10% of the day to look on the chart, and then wait for the remaining 90% of the day or of the week, just to get an entry that will work. In other words, 90% waiting or patience for the entry and 10% analysis. You don't analyze market and enter immediately. Most time you analyze, you have a little patience and then you enter. That is not trade. You are not a trader, you are a gambler. And in this video you will learn a lot. You will learn things that you don't know before, okay? About the power of accurate timing. Okay? So here, timing trade is the most scarce actions. Timing trade is the most scarce actions taken by traders. Okay, hence their else all kept triggering. Market is cyclic and seasonal. Okay, market is cyclic and seasonal. Okay, the end of a buying season will be the beginning of a selling season. I'm not talking about retracement. No, a good trader should not be trading retracement unless that retracement is a change of trend, just like what happened on gold. If it is a change of character and trend, then you can trade it. Okay, I'm going to show you some of this on the chart. Okay, then what I mean by seasonal, market is seasonal. We have rainy season and dry season. Okay, if you are trying to trade against season, you lose more money. Just like gold is selling, it has been selling. If you are trying to buy gold, you will lose more money. You will see the profits sometime, but in the long run, the sellers will overtake your profit, okay? Because it's selling, and you're trying to buy in a selling market. No. There are buying season and selling seasons. You only trade the active season and ignore the trap season. So during buying season, some sellers enter the market and create retracement. You shouldn't be misled, you shouldn't be distracted by them. And during selling season, some buyers enter the market and create buying opportunities. Don't try ever look at those opportunities. Just look for right season and enter at the correct prices, which I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, this is cool. Okay, most time market will look so over familiar to you, and then you start making a lot of mistakes. Don't be carried away. Understand the fact. Know the season. Once you know the season, take that trade. Enter perfectly so that you will not have enough massive drawdown. Okay, look at what you call seasonal trading. At this region, people are indecisive. People they have consolidations in their mind. The market is neutral, neither buying nor selling at this zone. Yes, apart from the fact that the sellers push price from that zone, but after a long period of time at this spot here, the market become totally indecisive. Like these buyers and sellers are just standing on the fence. They are just neutral. Okay, what we are looking for is a season. What will be the season? We now discover that this candle, this is the monthly time frame. This candle broke out. Okay, this candle broke out and then break above this high. When you notice this, you will be looking for entries around these zones in the lower time frames. Okay, in the lower time frame, you'll be looking for entries around this zone in the lower time frame, because the season is buying. You shouldn't be selling. Know the season in the market. Know the season. Gold is on all-time buying season. You can see that price break out of this high and attempted to retest several times, but it fell. But it broke here also and it retests. Okay, it retests. So the season is buying season. What happened here is that we see a significant delay in the market, and sellers and buyers are just fighting each other until the market broke out. As a wise trader, you just position for buy, because in the long run, buyers are we are in a buying season. You just position at these strong support levels and then hold this market for a long period of time. Okay, so I'm going to show you what really happened. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, what do you notice? You notice that you can just enter gold at this price. Anywhere here, you can just enter gold at this price. Okay, because if you go to H4, you notice that it's clear. Gold rested on this area, on this line. If price of gold drop, which I'm expecting it to drop, to pick orders from this trend line. If gold should drop, maybe it should drop towards here, because I see this as a internal neckline that has to be broken. If gold can break it, if immediately gold break this area, is coming to this spot and going up, and then if it goes up, for now it's risky to trade gold now until gold reach this level. Selling gold, because this is a kind of retracement that have change of character inside it, so selling gold is risky because buyers are strong. So if gold can drop to this spot we are buying, and that will be the price of 2214. Okay, so we are still in buying season. This is people that are selling here are amateur traders. Real traders have already bought gold somewhere here and take their profits. Okay, so sellers here are trap season. The selling is trap season here, while buying is the real season that you should time and follow. I'm going to synthetic market and show you some of these things. Maybe I'll check volatility 75 index for that. Okay, I'm going to the monthly time frame. Okay, I'm going to the monthly time frame. Okay, so you see that this area, price reject from this area. Let's change this color. price reject from this area. Okay, the first time price reached there and couldn't continue going up. Okay, and then when price came back again, it also rejects. This is a hammer. It's a sign of selling season. All this why 𝑽𝑗75 is in a buy season, buying, breaking levels and creating highs, buying all the way this path. It has been buying along this path and then reach a very strong resistance. Okay, you see that the bodies of candles were broken here. There are rejections there. Those rejections were created by both buying and selling, but you see this big candle that drop is a sign of strength and the retest was made. Some people will like to wait for further break of structure. You see, season is season. During rainy season, you can't tell me that you'll be expecting dry season to happen at the same time. Season is season. All you need is perfect entry. You need a hole for you to enter. Okay, so this is the retracement. Once you enter here, you are going to borrow more money. You are going to pile up capital and make sure you enter sniper. You are going to hold this market until the season is over, and the season can only be over when the market have met the origination of the previous season. See this, the previous season started from here. So we are expecting 𝑽𝑗75 to test 100,000, and below. Are you getting me? That is trading. Okay, not everybody will tell you this. Okay, you see. So those trap season will happen during the main season. That's why in rainy season you have some period of time that will be sun. Forex market is programmed based on geology, geographical events and astronomical events. Are you getting it? So you have to know all these things. Thank you. Keep coming to WINFXTRADING. If you have enough capital to invest in order to become wealthy trading, if you have up to $10,000 and you don't want to lose it, that this money is very important to you. You don't want to lose it. You want to make great profit. At least you want to get a double or 3 times of your $10,000. And then what we need is 50-50 share. Okay, there's no need of running away from it. You can't run away from it. You can't say how can you give me 50%? Or you will still go and blow the account and lose the money. So who is gaining? It's better you have $10,000 account and you take it to $20,000 and you give me my 50%, like the profit, which is $10,000. You give me 50% of the profit, which is $10,000, which is $5,000, and you collect your $5,000. Now, at this level, you are secure. Your capital is protected. Okay, your capital is protected, and you still make profit. Okay, but if your capital is too big, we can make negotiations about manager's commission. Okay, but once it is less than $10,000, from $10,000 and less, it is 50-50. But if it is bigger, I can create rule for you so that we can make negotiation. But everything is 50-50. But if it is more, we can make negotiation. If it's more than $10,000, we can make negotiation maybe 60-40. Okay, the better the commission, the more I focus on giving you what you want. I'm giving you the great profit. Okay, so these are the things that some people don't know about. Thank you. Let me not forget, we have several VIP groups. You need to join. You need to change your life. Okay, you need to change your life. You don't want to be trading all those things that are showing you on the YouTube indicators. All those things, they don't work. That's why I have fewer subscribers, because YouTube don't want to allow people to come to know more about, to discover this channel, because if they discover, they will stop losing money. Okay, so what you need is, if you are discovering this channel, you are lucky one, try and join any of my VIP group. We'll have up to 4 or more. All you need to do is to select the VIP group you want based on what you trade. If you trade binary, you select binary group. If you trade boom and crash, you select boom and crash group. If you trade gold and US30, you select gold and US30. If you are trading general forex market, you select general forex market and synthetic market, you select that one. Okay, if you subscribe to my Telegram channel, that is where you can have access to contact me, so that I will join you. I will connect you to the right VIP group. Okay, we are here to make you rich. We are here to make you succeed financially. We are here to give you financial freedom. Trading is natural, but people don't know how to do it. Trading is as old as earth. It's very old culture of making money, but people still come here and lose money. The aim of WINFX trading is to optimize winners in the forex market to more than 50%. They say only 10% profit, the remaining 90% loses. We are going to stop that statement. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate your efforts of watching up to this point. Try to connect with other traders to this channel by sharing our video. Thank you and bye for now.